Welcome back to my channel. Today we asked Chat GPT what are the top 5 best laptops of 2023, and the results will absolutely shock you. They really know what they are talking about. Please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on what we should ask Chat GPT next. To start with, we have the Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon, known for its lightweight design and impressive battery life. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 Carbon weighs only 2.49 pounds, making it an excellent choice for those on the go. It has a battery life of up to 19.5 hours, ensuring long-lasting productivity. This laptop has a robust security system, including an integrated fingerprint reader and a webcam cover. Next, we have the Apple MacBook Pro, a favorite amongst creatives and professionals, featuring a stunning Retina display. It features a 16-inch Retina display with True Tone technology, providing stunning visuals. The Retina display of the Apple MacBook Pro is incredibly vibrant and offers fantastic color accuracy. Lastly, it features the latest M1 chip, ensuring smooth performance and improved efficiency. In third place, we have the Dell XPS 15, which boasts a powerful performance and a brilliant display. With its 9th generation Intel Core processor and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 graphics, the Dell XPS 15 delivers exceptional performance. This laptop has an ultra-thin bezel and a 4K OLED display, resulting in a visually stunning experience. Equipped with Infinity Edge technology, the Dell XPS 15 offers an immersive viewing experience. Coming in at number 4 is the HP Spectre X360, a versatile 2-in-1 laptop with a sleek design and a long-lasting battery. The HP Spectre X360 can seamlessly transition from laptop to tablet mode, offering versatility and convenience. The HP Spectre X360 has a battery life of up to 22 hours, allowing for uninterrupted work and entertainment. This laptop has an ultra-slim gem-cut design and features Bang & Olufsen speakers for exceptional audio quality. Lastly, we have the Microsoft Surface Book 3, equipped with a detachable touchscreen and incredible graphics capabilities. The Microsoft Surface Book 3 is perfect for creatives, thanks to its outstanding graphics capabilities and detachable touchscreen. With the Microsoft Surface Book 3, you can enjoy the power of a laptop and the convenience of a tablet. The Microsoft Surface Book 3 is compatible with the Surface Pen, making it perfect for digital artists and note-takers. In conclusion, these are the top 5 best laptops of 2023, each with its unique features and advantages. Whether you prioritize portability, performance, versatility, or creative capabilities, there's a laptop on this list for you. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews and product recommendations made by the AI.